Hello, this is Daniel Grady with a quick look at the markets for today, Wednesday, June 11th. Coming up on the economic calendar today at 8:30 GMT, we have employment data from the United Kingdom. Not only is this an important indicator of the British economy, it's also a factor for the Bank of England's policy decisions, so we could see some volatility here in British equities at 8:30 GMT. And then it's a pretty quiet day until the evening at 9 o'clock in the evening when we have the Reserve Bank of New Zealand's policy decision, so we could see some volatility in the Kiwi. And then overnight we have employment data from Australia, so we could have some volatility in the Aussie dollar. The S&P 500 yesterday initially moved on the downside, but then eventually at the end of the day moved higher and closed virtually unchanged. During early trading today in Asia, Asian markets continue to move higher. Also, with the MSCI Asia index reaching the highest it's been since May of last year. Also, the dollar has been increasing in strength ahead of today's auction of U.S. Treasuries. And going into the session today, S&P 500 futures are trading on the downside by 0.1% at the moment, so we could continue to have more of a correction during trading today. The euro lost quite a lot of ground versus the dollar, pushing this currency pair on the downside. As we said yesterday, there isn't much support until we get to 134.80 at the moment, and then we have resistance at 135.90. The pound also moved on the downside. A good deal of that was due to arbitrage with the euro. It's now below what we have resistance here at 167.90. And we don't have support until 167. Then the yen also gained strength yesterday, but it didn't do as well as the dollar, so it virtually, there wasn't all that much change yesterday. It's just above support here, which we have at 102.25. It's just a hair above that at the moment. If that level doesn't hold, we don't have any major support until 102.25, or it could return towards resistance at 102.75. And then finally we have gold, which continued to move on the upside yesterday as expected. It's just below resistance at 1,265. Above that we have resistance at 1,280. And then on the downside we have support here at 1,240. Even though the overall trend for gold at the moment is on the downside, we're looking at the possibility of a short-term correction, rebound here over the next couple of days. And that's it for today. Thanks for watching and happy trading.